Every day, tickets with screenshots, logs, and receipts land in your queue and get treated exactly like every other ticket. No special routing, no priority bump, no one even knows an attachment is there. This guide shows you exactly how to fix that with Zendesk's attachment trigger condition. The ticket attachment condition tells Zendesk to check whether the current ticket update includes any file attachments. You can fire when attachments are present, when they are absent, or combine both into more targeted workflows. Both attached files and inline images count, with one exception: macros are excluded from evaluation. Here is the most important thing to understand before you build anything. This condition checks the current update only, not the ticket's entire history. If a ticket already has files from an earlier comment, that history is invisible to the trigger. In practice, this means two things. First, an attachment must arrive with a comment in the same update, or the trigger will not fire. Second, a follow-up status change on a ticket that already has attachments will not re-trigger the condition. Many admins build their first trigger, see it behaving oddly, and this is why. To get started, open Admin Center by clicking the gear icon in your Zendesk sidebar. From there, go to Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Triggers. This opens the full Triggers Management page where you can create and manage all your trigger logic. Click Add Trigger in the top right corner. Give your trigger a name that will still make sense 6 months from now. Something like Tag Tickets with Attachments, or Route Attachment Tickets to Tier 2, beats Trigger 1 every time. Good naming saves hours of future debugging. In the Meet All Conditions section, add a condition. Select Ticket, then Attachment, then choose is present or is not present. Most teams also add Ticket is created so the trigger only runs on new tickets, not every single update to existing ones. Now define what happens when conditions match. Adding a tag like has_attachment is almost always the right first move. Tags give you flexibility to route through other triggers, filter into views, and build reports without committing to a hard assignee or group assignment right away. Before going live, test with sample tickets that have and do not have attachments. Verify tags are applied, notifications send, and routing works as expected. Once everything checks out, click Create to activate. Watch your ticket queue for a few days to catch any edge cases you might have missed. Teams use attachment triggers for 4 main things: routing log files to technical support and receipts to billing, flagging sensitive attachments for security review, bumping priority on tickets with visual evidence, and blocking attachment tickets from reaching external systems. Each use case builds on the same simple condition. The native condition works well for basic routing, but it cannot filter by file type or check attachment count. If you need that level of control, you have 2 options. Liquid Markup with the Zendesk API lets you inspect comment.attachments.size through a webhook target, or third-party tools like Knots provide OCR and media analysis. Both add complexity that many teams would rather avoid. Eesel AI takes a different approach entirely. Instead of building trigger chains, Eesel reads each ticket holistically, including its attachments, and routes based on context. No API scripting, no third-party apps, no maintenance burden. You connect it to Zendesk through the standard integration, and it goes live in minutes. If managing attachment trigger logic is taking more time than it should, Eesel AI handles all of that automatically. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required,